Forex trading demo accounts. Practice and learn risk-free. Forex trading can be a complex and challenging endeavor, especially for beginners. Fortunately, Forex brokers offer demo accounts that allow traders to practice and learn in a risk-free environment. A Forex trading demo account is a valuable tool that provides real-time market data and simulates trading conditions without the need to risk actual capital. Here's a closer look at the benefits and strategies for using demo accounts. Introduction to Forex trading. Demo accounts serve as an excellent introduction to the world of Forex trading. They allow beginners to familiarize themselves with the trading platform, order execution, charting tools, and various trading features offered by the broker. It's an opportunity to learn how to navigate the trading platform and understand its functionality. Practice trading strategies. Demo accounts provide an ideal platform to practice trading strategies. Traders can experiment with different approaches, such as trend following, breakout trading, or range trading, without risking real money. This allows them to refine their strategies, test their effectiveness, and gain confidence in executing trades. Real-time market conditions. Demo accounts provide access to real-time market conditions, including live price quotes, charts, and news feeds. Traders can observe how currency pairs react to economic events, news releases, or geopolitical developments. This hands-on experience helps traders understand the dynamics of the Forex market and how different factors influence price movements. Risk-free environment. One of the most significant advantages of a demo account is the ability to trade without risking real capital. Since demo accounts are funded with virtual money, traders can make trades and experiment with different strategies without the fear of losing their hard-earned funds. This allows beginners to build confidence and make informed decisions without the emotional impact of potential losses. Analyze trading performance. Demo accounts provide traders with an opportunity to analyze their trading performance. Traders can review their trades, assess the effectiveness of their strategies, and identify areas for improvement. By analyzing their trading results, traders can learn from their mistakes, refine their approach, and enhance their overall trading skills. Test trading tools and indicators. Demo accounts allow traders to test various trading tools, indicators, and technical analysis techniques. They can experiment with different charting patterns, oscillators, moving averages, and other tools to identify trends, entry and exit points, and potential trade setups. This helps traders understand the functionality of different tools and find the ones that best suit their trading style. Simulate trading psychology. Trading psychology plays a crucial role in Forex trading success. Demo accounts provide an opportunity to simulate the psychological aspects of trading, including managing emotions, dealing with winning and losing trades, and maintaining discipline. Traders can learn to control their emotions, develop patience, and execute trades based on their trading plan. Transition to live trading. Once traders have gained sufficient experience and confidence through demo trading, they can transition to live trading with real money. By practicing on a demo account first, traders can develop a solid foundation, understand their risk tolerance, and refine their strategies before committing actual funds. This can significantly increase the chances of success in live trading. When using a Forex trading demo account, it's essential to approach it seriously and treat it as if it were a real trading account. This means practicing proper risk management, setting realistic goals, and keeping track of your trades and performance. The more effort and dedication you put into utilizing a demo account, the more beneficial it will be in your journey as a Forex trader. In conclusion, Forex trading demo accounts provide a risk-free environment for beginners to practice, learn, and develop their trading skills. By utilizing demo accounts effectively, traders can gain valuable experience, refine their strategies, and build the necessary confidence to transition to live trading successfully.